I tell you, say, if they do jazz, they collect people destiny. I know they close my mouth and they talk I'm the way it be. Because they don't fight me spiritually so many times. And I be keeping quiet for them. Now, she called me and she told me that Mercy sent madness to me.
100. 80 left.
Yes. So, she sent this thing I'm telling you. Why I believe what she was saying was because this thing happened years back when I was on set with Tichidi. So this thing happened. So when she talks about this thing, how she took an oath with Mercy. Just see, let me tell you people, see, Mercy is very good at manipulation. She knows how to control people's mindset. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Like, I don't care about however, whether you believe it or not, whether you want to. This is what Mercy has been doing. Everybody in Nollywood knows her. Everybody knows this is who Mercy is. So let me tell you something. A lot of people might not come out to talk. Why? Because they are scared. Nobody is ready to fight spiritual battles. Oh God, I go you spiritually. Don't your juju people. I'm telling you, you can't do me. So, a lot of people have been coming up from Nollywood and saying a lot of things about Nollywood, and you guys think it's a joke? It's not a joke.
My country people, a lot they happen for Nollywood though. Jesus Christ, this story go shock you. After watching this video, you go to ask yourself, so Nollywood did this deep. Wetin dey happen for inside Nollywood did this deep? Hey! So Angela Okorie invited this girl now where they talk, where expose Mercy Johnson's mother. She invited her up to speak up. According to her, she don't take away the thing that happened to her, so it's time to speak up. We all know Angela now. Angela Okorie no dey fear anybody for that industry. If she won't call you out, she will call you out with her full chest. So now, so she invited this girl up. Say, speak your mind. I dey behind you. Speak up. That's why the girl come out to come expose a lot of secret. Say Mercy Johnson, now she introduced Mercy Johnson to industry, to Nollywood. Now so Mercy Johnson carry her go meet her mama, make the mama do something for them, make they protect them for the industry against bad people. Allegedly, allegedly, I know they there. Now waiting this girl talk, and they talk. So back to the story. The girl come dey talk say the mama prepare one thing for them, for both of them. She and Mercy Johnson come cook am up, come give them make they drink. So after she take that thing wey Mercy Johnson mama prepare, na so she no remember anything again. She come dey act like person wey wan koro. Say since that time, her head no dey correct again. Say after taking her to different prayers, this thing house and all that, 80% of the koro mental wey they give her don leave her, remaining 20%. So now the 20% wey no wan leave her, na the thing make am say make she come speak up. She come dey tell a lot of things for this place now. Wetin she talk for this video? I come dey say, so all these things when Nollywood people they act, some of them be they real? Cause I don't understand. And I'm one person that grew up to notice that Mercy Johnson like today on her lane. So it make me find this thing so difficult to believe. But make I play the video, make una hear wetin this lady, cause this lady they sound like person wey dey serious. She even asked Mercy Johnson if she dey lie, make she come out talk say na lie wey she dey talk. You can see the confidence. Person wey know wetin she dey talk, whenever she talks, we go know. So now why I say, make I just dey. I know they side anybody, make I just dey. They look. Truth will always prevail. Now my slogan be that in everything wey you dey do, truth will always prevail. Make you listen to wetin she talk.
Yeah. They never fit kill me.
Yeah, no. You hear me? So she come carry, her mama come bring that wrapper, white wrapper, come tie me and her.
And if it's
tie me and her, no take the I need this name. And so yeah, as so tie, your mama contact me and her through wrapper. She get tie wrapper for me. That's one lead them. Now everything come finish. She come carry something like oats for calabash. You know that calabash they use drink mango. That calabash they take drink mango. Mama come put something like I don't know what I go like a dark, very dark blood like that. Come give me a moko drink. Angela, as I drink this thing, she drink this thing. He come back and say, I don't know we are there again. Say, I don't know road. You understand? So then we don't go this one. So God, I mean, now I mean the first come out for this. And this I'm telling you, before we started this audition, now me carry her enter Nollywood. They go audition. My name they always day before. What did you tell me? Then starts today. They I couldn't say, I'm messing. That's what your mama do was. Oh, say I did okay. So say no. Say I'm mind na protection. I'm mama put for me. Say so that Baba can go see us. Now what did you tell me? So that protection. So Baba can go see us. I can't say he can't reach from that time. What is one that thing? Night they carry me enter marine spirit. From that time when your mama do me this kind of thing, every night they carry me enter marine spirit. They go carry me enter marine spirit, will go sit down like this. The place is dark. Mr. Johnson, you know this thing that they talk. Yes. Are you listening? We go sit down like this. We sit down like this. They will come to carry water. Angela, this was look small thing. This is not easy. Before I came outside like this, the kind of prayers I went, you know where they took me to? Mr. God, leave me.
Ha! This story weak me I no even sabi wetin I go talk again. Ha ha! A lot they happen a lot they truly happen for this life. I think Nollywood people really need cleansing in that their industry. I be my people wetin una think. Drop your opinion for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more ogbonge news wey dey totori body. You see I'm a boy girl Cindy. Now, bye.
Messi just say mama leg they turn to goat at times. Why is goat leg? Goat leg. You go just see am change to goat leg at times.